Hi, welcome to tikzkitchen. Today we're going to make tropical prawn palette. So let's get started. To make tropical prawn palette, we are going to need chopped tomatoes, radish, beetroot, turnip is optional, spinach, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, salt, lemon juice, chopped garlic cloves and dry red chilli, soy sauce, vinegar, ghee, honey, quinoa. You could swap this with brown rice, water, fresh pineapple puree. Don't throw the shell away, we'll use that for plating, and prawns. For initial prep, soak 2/3 cup of quinoa into double amount of water. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Take 250 gram prawns in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon ghee, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it together and let it sit for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Mix together 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 chopped dry red chilies, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1/4 cup fresh pineapple puree. Mix everything together and keep it aside for later use. Bring water to a boil and then add soaked quinoa. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. Brush some ghee on a heated pan and saute prawns for 30 seconds each side on high heat. Make sure prawns are only partially cooked here. We'll continue cooking them in the final step. Heat 1.5 tablespoon ghee in a pan. Add the remaining chopped garlic and saute for a minute. Add 1 chopped tomato and cook till it becomes slightly soft. Now add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 cup beetroot julienne, 1/4 cup turnip julienne, this is optional, 1/4 cup radish thin slices, you can do these julienne too. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt and mix. Add 3 cups of chopped spinach and cook for another minute or 2 on medium heat. Now add the sauteed prawns and mix everything together. Cover and cook for 2 minutes on low heat. Time to add the cooked quinoa. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the sauce we made earlier and mix everything together. It's time for plating. Tropical prawn palette is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such recipes.